The 51-day Holland America Zandam Tales of the South Pacific. A lot of people when they go on cruises worry about laundry, as you should be. You don't have all that room in your suitcase, so laundry is an important thing to have on a cruise. But what do you do? 51 days? That's a lot. Granted, a lot of us that are on this cruise have been cruising with Holland America for a long time. 4- and 5-star mariners get free laundry, which is a really nice thing. It makes it so much easier on these long cruises. Basically, what they will do, they do not have onboard laundry in this one. Basically, what they do is they have a laundry bag with a receipt. I will show you this later on. This bag, you fill this bag up, it's $35. As of October 2024. Believe it or not, that's a good deal. I have learned to jam so much in this bag. So here is the breakdown for the different types of days that you can, different programs you can get. There's laundry by the bag, as I said, for $35, 5 days for $52, and 51 days for $535. Basically, it breaks down to $10 a day. I might try to do, if I didn't have laundry, 2 of the $5-day blocks. I think that would be a good way to go. But think about it. $10 a day to do your laundry, that's the price of a drink. You might as well have clean clothes and be comfortable. This is my finished laundry bag. It is amazing how much clothes fits in that bag. For $35, I do believe it's quite the deal. Here is the receipt that I have. Here we go, 9 shirts, 6 shorts, 9 undershorts. Quite a lot fit in there. As you can see, there's pricing. I do believe you can maybe just get a little bit done. That would be good. Then if you just wanted to, say, freshen up your panties and your socks, then you're able to do that. Here is the completed laundry. Sometimes you get it back in a day. Usually it's 2. They're really very efficient, and they have a wonderful, wonderful laundry system. Your laundry will be returned in this basket and like that, with the hanging things. You get, of course, your receipt back. You get your freshly laundered panties and socks with a really lovely note. It's always a good idea to give a good comment back on the connection page, especially to these people who work really hard to do your laundry. Oop, there was my bra. It's all right. You get another laundry bag and another receipt. Here, you open this up, and everything is on hangers. Your shorts will be on hangers, your tank tops will be on hangers, but they're very nicely done and well pressed. I have seen a lot of people ask if they can do a no dry or special request. I don't think so. I think it's just mainly regular laundry and dry cleaning for a price. It's quite the deal.